Hello everyone and very welcome to the channel. In this video, I am presenting you a very interesting tool called as HiVisionIDPhoto. What this tool does is it converts any photo with any background into an ID photo as you can see on your screen. So in this one, they on the left they have provisioned it a photo of a person with a background which is quite informal, and if you want to convert it into an ID photo, this tool can do it for you. So we are going to install this tool locally and then we will see how it does it. Before I do that, let me give a huge thanks to Mass Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. Coming back to this HiVisionID photo, this aims to develop a practical and systematic intelligent algorithm for producing ID photos. It utilizes a comprehensive AI model workflow to recognize various user photo taking scenarios, performing matching and generate ID photos. This tool can achieve lightweight matching, which is purely offline fast inference even with CPU. It can generate standard ID photos and 6-inch layout photos based on different size specifications. It supports pure offline or even edge cloud inference, which you can check from their GitHub repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. It also will be able to produce some of the beauty effects, but that is still in the pipeline. And also, it can even produce an intelligent formal wear, but that is not available yet. That is in the to-do list of their project. Okay, enough talk. Let's go and see how can we install it. This is my system of 1222.04, and this is a GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 which I'm using with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's clear the screen. Next up, let's create a Conda environment. It is recommended to create this environment with Python 3.10 as rest of the lot is compatible with this version. So let's wait for it to finish getting created. Conda environment is created. Let's also install CUDA and GCC compiler. Let's wait for it to get finished. This is going to take a couple of minutes. And that is done. Let's git clone the repo of HiVisionID. Let's wait for it, and that is done. Let's clear the screen. Okay, so once that's done, let's install some of the prerequisites first. For that, I'm just going to use torch vision, transformers, and accelerate. This is going to take a bit of a time. So let's wait for it to finish and then we will move forward with the requirements. Okay, so all the prerequisites are done. Let me now install all the requirements from the root of this repo. And again, this is going to take a bit of a time. So let's wait for it. Okay, all the requirements are done and you can ignore these warnings. These are my local system stuff, which I need to clean up. Okay, so now everything is done in terms of requirements. Next up, just download the models with the help of this already provided script from the root of their repo. And this is going to take a bit of a time, not much, so let's wait for it. And that is done. Now at this point, if you are using CPU, you just don't have to do anything, but if you are running GPU, then you would need to run this command where I'm installing ONNX runtime GPU, and I'm running it because I am using one GPU as I showed you earlier. So let's wait for it. Shouldn't take too long, and that is done. Now let's me clear the screen and then let's launch the Gradio demo. Let me run this command. And you can see that now it is running at the default port of 7860 of Gradio. So let me go to my browser and launch it. And you can see that now it is launched in my local host at port 7860. So these are few of the examples which you can use, or you can just upload your own image by just clicking here. So I have clicked on the second image. Let's go up. You see now this image is here, and then you can simply click here on this one, And then very quickly you can see that it has produced this ID image. How good is that? And then this is a language, it is Z, it is Chinese. Let me go to English. Okay, that is much better. Okay, so English is now enabled. And then you see that there is a size list 1 inch. You can change the size. Maybe I'll just go with large 2 inches. And then background color is blue here. Maybe we'll go with, let's say, black. And then solid color is fine. So, and then you can click on start here, and you can see on the right, there you go. So it has produced it. Wow, amazing stuff. How, what a magic. What a magic. And of course you can just simply click here on download button to get it downloaded. But this is really simply amazing. And you see it, they have two models as I mentioned earlier: face detection model, which is a retina face ResNet, and matting model ModNet photographic one. Also, there are some advanced parameters if you want to do with head ratio and that sort of size. And then this is a beauty one, and you can I think this is not working at the moment, but you can play around with it to see if you can increase the whitening strength. And then there is a watermark here if you want to add your own watermark, like something add, or you can just say Fahad. I haven't tested it, so let's see if it works or not. Let's click here. There you go. You see at the background it says Fahad, and then you can simply add this watermark on top of it. This is simply out of this world, all free, all local. So just imagine, like, we have hundreds of thousands of photos of our own in our cameras and stuff with all sorts of backgrounds. Let's suppose we like one of the photos, but it's we want to put it as our ID or passport or anything, but and we want to remove the background. So we can use this tool, which does a fabulous job here. Amazing stuff. And if you want to change the image, simply click on this X here, and then you can upload your own image. And then let me try it out with one of the images on my disk. Maybe I'll just go with this Sylvester's image. I have just uploaded his image. I'm just going to keep all the background as is, as you can see. So maybe I'll just go with color is white. That's fine. Let me click on start. And there you go. You see how good is that? Amazing stuff. So I'm going to try out with my own photo here. So I'm just going to go down and then click on start here. And let's see. There you go. How good is that? Amazing stuff. You see how everything looks so good. I mean, no um, face part is cut or hidden or blurred. This is really good. And then you can, of course, change the sizes as I showed you earlier. You can change the color and all that stuff. Amazing stuff. Now let's try out with few other photos. Like, I'm just going to go with maybe some animal photos, and I believe I have this Komodo dragon photo. Let's try it out if it does it or not. Let me go here, click on start, go here. No, you see, so it says number of faces not equal to 1. That is correct. So error handling is also there. That is cool. Let's cancel it. Let's so it needs a face. So do we have a face? What is this? There is a face here. Let's see, but it's not a human face, of course. There you go. So you see, face detection model is totally correct here. Good stuff. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm very impressed by this tool. I think one of the best tools of this week, I would say. Flawlessly working of it and really produces what it says. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.